Hi everybody, this video is an update on the one I did a few weeks ago on how to make a salt cellar with a flip lid. In that video we used a square block of wood and we took one corner and we left it as part of the hinge. I got thinking, what would happen if we left some other corners and did some other projects? So I'm just going to get set up now and show you some of the other ideas that I had. So this is just a reminder. Here's the block of wood. You can imagine one of these corners being used for a hinge, and then we're going to show some other things that you can do with the other corners. This is the very first one we did. This is the corner that was left, and all the rest were removed, and then that corner was used as the hinge for the flip lid. For the second one, I left two corners. This corner is used as the hinge. Wood was removed from this portion and this portion. This part of the corner was left there. A hole was drilled in there, and then I made this little scoop so that you could put that and have a place to hold it. If you open the lid up, the scoop is designed so that it holds material when it's in a vertical position. So there's some sugar in this one. You can see how the scoop works to hold that out. On the next one, I left three corners. This corner again for the hinge, this corner for holding a scoop, and then the third corner, wood was removed away from this part and was left as a little projection on the lid. So you've got somewhere to open and close the lid. You could also leave the fourth corner and then make another hole so that you could have a storage part for the scoop on one side or the other, maybe depending on your left or right-handed. The final one is a piece of bur oak from a limb that I trimmed on a tree many, many years ago. I removed all the bark, leaving these interesting formations that are part of the natural tree, and then buffed those all up. So the inside was hollowed out and the hinge was made on one of the areas of the branch that was thicker. So again, just another kind of a flip-top box. So next time you take a chunk of wood and you put it between centers, think about areas of the wood that you could leave and not turn and do something with that would make an interesting project. Thanks so much for watching.